Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today we're diving into the 2026 Honda Accord, a car that continues to raise the bar in the midsize sedan segment. Honda has refined this legend year after year, and for 2026, the Accord delivers a blend of sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology that's hard to beat. At first glance, the 2026 Accord grabs your attention with a bold new front fascia. The updated grille is sleeker, giving the car a more assertive presence on the road. LED lighting has been sharpened, and the body lines are now more sculpted, enhancing the Accord's aerodynamic profile. It's clear that Honda wanted this car to look as premium as it drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord offers two powertrain options. The base models come with a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4, producing a respectable 192 horsepower. It's efficient, smooth, and perfect for daily commuting, but the real star is the hybrid powertrain, which pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors. The total output stands at 204 horsepower. And thanks to Honda's latest TCVT system, the power delivery is seamless. This hybrid system not only improves fuel efficiency but also makes the Accord one of the most refined sedans in its class. Inside, the 2026 Accord takes things to another level. The cabin feels upscale with soft-touch materials, a redesigned center console, and a new digital instrument cluster. But the real showpiece is the massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now standard across most trims. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a faster processor, and a cleaner interface. Honda has finally nailed the tech game here. Another major win is the comfort. The seats are supportive, there's plenty of rear legroom, and sound insulation has been improved, making highway drives whisper quiet. The Accord continues to punch above its weight in terms of ride quality and interior space, making it a great option for families and daily drivers alike. On the safety front, Honda sensing has been upgraded. The 2026 Accord now includes enhanced adaptive cruise control, better lane-keeping assistance, and improved pedestrian detection. These systems are smoother and more intuitive than ever, contributing to an overall safer driving experience. Driving dynamics remain a strong point. The Accord handles with precision, offering a composed ride and responsive steering. Even in the hybrid version, the Accord feels agile. Honda has managed to retain the car's fun-to-drive character while keeping comfort a top priority. In short, the 2026 Honda Accord isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the pace. With its premium design, smarter tech, fuel-efficient powertrains, and class-leading comfort, the Accord continues to prove why it's one of the best-selling sedans in America. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Honda Accord, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what car you want us to cover next. Catch you in the next one.